before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn the concept about verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients. In the previous video, we have learned how to find the relation between the zeros and coefficients and also finding the zeros of the given polynomial. So if you do not watch those, please do watch, and then if you listen this, that will help you good. Now let me show you verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients, right? So here I would like to take a polynomial, that is f of x is equals to x square plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. X square plus 2x minus 8. This is a polynomial. X square plus 2x minus 8. This is a polynomial I have taken. Now, before to know the verifying relation, all this, you have to find the zeros first of all. So let me find the zeros of this given polynomial. That is x square plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. So now if I factorize this, like x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So that x is common here, it means x plus 4. This minus 2 is common, then we get like minus of minus, it becomes plus, it means x plus 4 equals to 0. It means x plus 4 of x minus 2 equals to 0, right? So what does it mean? It is nothing that x equals to minus 4 or 2. So here we find the zeros of the polynomial, right? Here, after finding the zeros, so now we have to show the relation between zeros and coefficients. Means we have to verify whether we got the zeros, and when we are verifying with the coefficients, whether they are equal or not. Let us check now. So here I am going to show you. So remember that the zeros are minus 4 and 2, right? So fine. So here what I do, I just scroll down, then right, here the zeros. Now first of all, I would like to take the relation with the coefficients. It means that I would like to take the relation with the coefficients. So what I do is sum of the zeros is equals to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, right? So this is a relation, means this is what sum of the zeros. It is nothing that minus b by a, because now here let me take what is the polynomial we have taken, that is x square plus 2x minus 8, right? So this is a polynomial we have taken. In this minus coefficient of x is nothing but 2 by coefficient of x square is 1, so that is equals to minus 2, right? So this is where we got with the using the coefficients we got it. Now let us take the zeros and do the sum. Okay, it means when I take the zeros and doing the sum here, right, it is nothing that alpha, it means sum means like we know that alpha plus beta, well, sum of the zeros, that means minus 4 plus 2, that is equals to minus 2, right? So here these are the sum of the zeros, right? Now let us check with the product of the zeros, because already when I check with the coefficients I got the minus 2. Even when I do the zeros, sum of the zeros also minus 2. So here sum got verified even with the coefficients as well as zeros, right? Now let us go with the product of the zeros then. So the product of the zeros, right? So product of the zeros, product of the zeros is equals to constant term by coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. So it's nothing that constant term is c by a in general, right? So in this given polynomial, right, what is a constant? Constant is minus 8, so that is minus 8 by coefficient of x square is 1, so that is equals to minus 8. So this is we got by the coefficients. Now let us take the zeros and check. So what are the zeros? Product means alpha into beta, right? So product means minus 4 into 2, that we got minus 8. So this is how we have to verify. Means with the coefficients we got the sum is minus 2, and when I add the zeros also it is minus 2, and when we check with the coefficients, product of the zeros, and when we are verifying with the coefficients it is minus 8, even with the zeros also it is minus 8, so hence it was verified. So this is how we have to find, we have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Let me take one more example, so that I hope it will make you easier to understand, right? Fine. Now let us take one more example here, that is f of x is equals to, let me take that, f of x is equals to 6x square minus 3. One more example this is. So as I said you before that we have to find the zeros first of all, to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. So that it means it is let 6x square minus 3 equals to 0, right? So that means 6x square is equals to 3, right? So x square is equals to 3 by 6. So when we evaluate more, like we get 1 by 2. So x square is equals to, it means not x square, x equals to like plus or minus under root 1 by 2. So that this can be written as plus or minus 1 by under root 2, right? 1 by under root 2. So this is about the x. Now it means we have two values here. Please observe that two values we have. What does that means? X is equals to 1 by under root 2 or minus 1 by under root 2. So here we found the zeros. Now I am going to verify with coefficients. We got the zeros now. We have to verify with the relation with the coefficient as well as zeros, right? So first of all I would like to take sum of the zeros. We know that sum of the zeros is equals to minus coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x. So minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So it is nothing that we know the standard form we take, it is minus b by a. So what is a polynomial we have taken? That is 6x square minus 3, right? So according to this, minus, there is no coefficient of x here, so it means 0 by coefficient of x square is 6, so it's nothing that 0 by something is 0. So sum of the zeros should be 0. So this was formed with the coefficients. Now let us take the zeros and verify now. So that is alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros. That means 1 by root 2 plus minus 1 by root 2. Yeah. So when both are added with the positive and negative, that means they are equals to 0. So here sum got verified even with the coefficients as well as with the zeros. Right, now let me check with the product. Right, product. So with the product I would like to check. So the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is equals to constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. It means what is a constant here? Minus 3 by coefficient of x square is 6. So 3 ones, 3 twos, that is minus 1 by 2. So which is called c by a, right? Now let me check with the, so this was formed with the coefficients. Now let me take the zeros and do the product, and let us verify now. So what are the zeros means? 1 by root 2 and another is minus 1 by root 2. So to find the product we are multiplying. So plus into minus is minus 1 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. See here we got that. Coefficients we got minus 1 by 2 as well as with the zeros also we got minus 1 by 2. This is how we verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. In the next video we will learn how to find the relation between the verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients of a big polynomial. Thank you all. I hope you all understood. For any more queries, just give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you.